Now at 4:30, a teenager who got the bubonic plague in eastern Oregon, we found out is out of the ICU.
And she is recovering at a hospital in Bend. Today we sent our Jennifer Dowling to find out more on how she got the infection and how you can protect your family.
The disease is transmitted through a flea bite.
State Public Health veterinarian Emilio DeBess says the Crook County teen with bubonic plague is on the road to recovery. He says a flea bit her while she was on an elk hunting trip near Heppner in Morrow County.
Her lymph node got big and painful, and that's when they clued in that it could have been the plague.
He says lymph nodes infected with plague can swell to the size of a chicken egg. Other symptoms include fever, chills, headache, body weakness, and a bloody or watery cough. To keep yourself or your family safe, DeBess says you should avoid contact with rodents, don't feed squirrels or chipmunks, never touch sick or dead rodents, and protect pets from fleas and keep them away from wild animals. The CDC map shows the hot spots for plague from 1970 to 2012. The Crook County teen is the 8th case of plague in Oregon in the last 20 years. A Lake County man also recovered from it in August after he was bitten by a sick cat.
Plague is actually a very treatable condition.
Though the survival rate is high, there can be serious consequences. Paul Gaylord of Prineville also got the plague from a cat in 2012. His toes and fingers were amputated after turning black. That's why the plague was called Black Death in the Dark Ages. This was the interview his wife Debbie gave us during his treatment.
When the doctors first came in, his hands and feet were going to be amputated up to the feet up to the ankles and his hands up to the wrist.
DeBess says fortunately the teen hasn't developed the same problem.
Her immune system she's young, her immune system is working really well. She was treated early.
In Portland, Jennifer Dowling, KOIN 6 News.
Can you imagine you're going about life and suddenly you have the plague of all things? Now if the plague isn't treated, it can kill 60 to 90% of people it infects.